Welcome friends, I am Dr. Rajesh Channa, working as consultant medical oncologist at Dharamshila Narayana Hospital. So in this video, we'll be discussing regarding the treatment options for a patient of lung cancer. So once you have been diagnosed with lung cancer, your case would be discussed in a multi-modality joint clinic by a team of specialized doctors, which includes medical oncologist, surgical oncologist, radiation oncologist, the palliative care team, the radiologist, and the pathologist. So once the final plan is decided, which is based on the patient's stage, the type of tumor you have, and the patient's general condition. So what are the treatment modalities we have? First one is surgery. Surgery is basically limited to early stage cancer, that is stage 1 and stage 2, and some patients who have been diagnosed with stage 3. So surgical option is basically limited to patients who have been diagnosed with early stage lung cancer, that is stage 1 and stage 2, or some patients who have been diagnosed with stage 3. Surgical options includes a wedge resection, that includes a small portion of the lung being removed, segmental resection, that includes a little larger portion of the lung being removed, lobectomy, that includes the lobar part of the lung being removed, and pneumonectomy, that means that entire lung has to be removed. So after surgery, you may or may not require chemotherapy or radiation. So the next treatment modality is radiation therapy. What is radiation therapy? Radiation therapy uses high energy beams from sources such as X-ray or protons that targets your tumor cells. In this, patient usually lies in the radiotherapy machine and the machine revolves around the patients to target the particular tumor cells. Radiotherapy is a treatment modality for patients who have been diagnosed with either stage 3 tumors, that is given in combination with chemotherapy, or in patients who have been diagnosed with stage 4 tumors, that is given as a part of symptomatic relief, that is to painful bony sites, or in case patient develop disease to the brain, then radiotherapy is given to the brain. The next treatment modality is chemotherapy. Now what is chemotherapy? Chemotherapy basically are cancer killing drugs that can be given either through injection, that is commonly through vein, or through tablet form. Chemotherapy as a part of treatment can be given either before surgery to decrease the size of the tumor and to help in doing surgery. It can be given along with radiation therapy in stage 3 patients, or it can be given after surgery. Chemotherapy is also a treatment modality of choice in patients who have been diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. The other modalities which can be used in stage 4 lung cancer includes targeted therapy or immunotherapy. What is targeted therapy? Targeted therapy, they target the particular and specific abnormalities in the cancer cell. So as of now, it's only recommended in patients who have advanced cancers or stage 4 cancers. So in this, usually a tablet is given to the patient for control of cancers, but these patients are highly selective based on a specific molecular mutation. So the other treatment modality is immunotherapy. So immunotherapy is usually recommended for a stage 4 cancer patient. How does immunotherapy work? So immunotherapy basically increases the immunity of the body to fight cancers. Normally, cancer cells produces proteins that bind to the tumor cells that prevents the activity of the immune system. So the immunotherapy works by decreasing this inhibition and causes the immune cells to fight the cancer cells. So as of now, it is recommended only for stage 4 cancer. Thank you.